Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest playing games and win cash app and website the end that very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is WINR Games application? Bring in money by playing matches and dominate cash prizes. Draw cards and acquire dollars. A free application with no in-application buys, where everybody can appreciate messing around. If you join the link in the description box. What our identity is. WINR Games was established by a previous administration advisor who abandoned everything so he could have more opportunity to mess around. We want to be joking about that. WINR CTO has over 15 years of tech experience, having recently driven another fruitful startup from beginning to IPO in only 2 years. Our group is comprised of deep-rooted game darlings who are set for change the substance of gaming until the end of time. What do? We mean to change the manner in which you mess around. We, at long last, figured out how to compensate you for your adoration for gaming. At this point, will you endeavor to increase virtual money with no genuine worth? Each ticket procured in our foundation gives you an expanded possibility of winning that week's monetary reward. We additionally end up making testing fun, wonderful, and to some degree addictive games. As a professional WINR game. 1. Software developer. More about WINR Games. WINR Games is a fun dynamic dev shop where everybody is inspired by flawlessness. We intend to change the manner in which you mess around, and yes, we at long last figured out how to compensate our players for their adoration for gaming. We construct fun, social and versatile games that cause individuals to feel amazing for nothing and simultaneously bring in cash. About opening. WINR Games is searching for gifted programming engineers to turn out to be essential for our group. This is a relentless job and an incredible vocation occasion to develop with a youthful startup. Abilities required. 1. Experience with the Unity game motor. 2. Expert-level involvement in iOS, Android full advancement cycle. 3. Experience with improvement utilizing HTML5, CSS, CSS3, JavaScript libs. 4. Understanding of RESTful API. 5. Experience in source version controls, for example, Git, SVN, and so forth. 6. Good comprehension of Agile and startup mindset. 7. Ability to adjust and get new methods and innovation. 8. Enjoy working under tension and to a cutoff time. 9. Excellent relational and relational abilities. 10. Accountable, careful and exact in their work. 11. Ability to work separately or in a group to make tight cutoff times. Different skills not needed yet resources. 1. Experience with WebSocket. 2. Experience with game systems administration. 3. Contributed to an open source venture. Training and qualifications. 4-year college educations in computer science or equal work insight. At that point, present your application. 2. Lead artist. About opening. WINR Games is searching for a capable lead 2D, 3D artist with an unprecedented imaginative style, an inclination for establishing lively and dynamic conditions, characters, and remarkable abilities in Photoshop, Illustrator, 3ds Max or Maya. This is a relentless job and an incredible vocation occasion to develop with a youthful startup. What you will insight. 1. And climate where your knowledge and aptitude are exceptionally esteemed. 2. Contributing to ventures beginning to end, assisting with characterizing and direct the vision of a task. 3. Concepting an assortment of styles and emphasizing to make sure about the ideal search for a game. 4. Collaborating with a profoundly energetic group to understand that vision. 5. Creating an assorted scope of game resources, characters, vehicles, and conditions. 6. Working firmly with a Unity designer to make a tight attachment among workmanship and interface. 7. Communicating with engineers to guarantee all resources fulfill execution requires. 8. Producing a fun and extraordinary game that will be delighted in by a huge number of players. Aptitudes required. 1. Expertise with the center items in Adobe, Unity, and Autodesk. 2. Unique and unmistakable visual style, ready to deliver work that is energetic, dynamic, and energizing. 3. Deep comprehension of key standards for making eye-getting workmanship on little screens. 4. Flexible and community character, capacity to tune in and adequately consolidate criticism into plans. 5. Strong relational abilities, ready to obviously express thoughts. 6. Passion and excitement for games. Different skills not needed, however resources. 1. Experience with 2D and 3D animation. 2. Prior work involvement with the portable gaming space. Schooling and qualifications. Workmanship degrees or identical work insight. At that point, submit your application. How might I enter a draw? Simply download the Easy Street application and acquire at any rate one ticket in any of the games and you will be gone into that week's draw. What amount of cash would I be able to get paid for playing recordings games? There is no restriction to how much cash you can procure for playing computer games with big time. You can play ordinarily for your opportunity to bring in cash playing computer games. I hope you all are enjoying the videos and start your earning from today. If you get more videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget ring the bell icon. Good luck.